In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatgpt in WhatsApp. If you don't want to download the app or head over to the website of Chatgpt, you can now easily add in Chatgpt to your WhatsApp. So open up WhatsApp. Now from here, you just need to head over to the Me Chat, which is going to be your personal chat. Once you do that, you just need to type in this number, which is the official number of Chatgpt. So the number is +1-800-2428-478. So just type in this number and hit send. Once the number has been sent, tap on this number and tap on chat with. This way the official chat of Chatgpt will open up on WhatsApp. You can now ask in questions as you normally do on Chatgpt. So that was the video about the way that you use Chatgpt in WhatsApp. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.